Hi everyone, this is Ricardo, and today I will show you how to create and share your coffee recipe with the Victoria Arduino's community by using the E1 app. Since the machine launch, the nerdy side of our love for specialty coffee has been delighted by this amazing app for smartphone and tablet, thought for new generation coffee shops and baristas that enjoy sharing experience and information. Let's have a closer look. First of all, open the app and connect your machine via Bluetooth. Now you're ready to start navigating. From the bottom navigation bar, select the My Coffee icon and press the plus key in the upper right corner of the display to enter the Create Recipe menu. Start customizing. First of all, write down the name of your recipe. If you already got one in mind, you can even add a photo to help highlight your creation. Then start filling all the brewing values, those in, those out, and show time. Now, let's check the group settings. The app already has default values that you can modify by tapping on the signal features. You can set temperature, dose 1 and dose 2 quantities. You can activate the pre-wetting, set its switch on and off time, and duration. You can do the same thing for Group 2 and Group 3. Just add the groups to your menu by pressing the plus key on the gray bar. As you can see, the group icon will appear on your screen. Just tap on the one you want to customize and repeat the procedure. Last but not least, you can add to your recipe profile some additional data for a proper sensory evaluation. By pressing the taste concentric sphere, you can manually set values for sweetness, bitterness, and acidity. The same indeed applies to flavors and tactile. Now that you're done, save your recipe profile and go back to the previous menu. You will find your creation on the My Recipe menu. To share it with the E1 community, select your recipe, then tap the menu on the right upper corner and select the Share function. Et voila! Now you're part of the team. With the E1, technology and innovation have been successfully made accessible to small-scale specialty coffees across the globe. This app is a perfect resource to boost your creativity or get inspired by new flavors and ideas. Just tap and keep your love for specialty coffee at the top of its game. We're done for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more Victoria Arduino's house tools videos.